Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer money on MyT in 2025. If you're new to MyT or just want a quick refresh, this guide is perfect for you. It's fast, secure, and designed with user-friendliness in mind, especially with all the latest updates. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the MyT app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store and download it. It's free and takes just a minute. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your credentials. Remember, for security, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Now, once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen. Look for the Transfer or Send Money icon. It's usually front and center. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to a simple interface. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. That's easy. Just type in their MyT username, email, or phone number. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Next, input the amount you want to transfer. MyT will show you any potential fees up front, so keep an eye on that. If everything looks good, hit Next to review the transaction. This step is crucial. It lets you verify the details like the recipient, amount, and your available balance. Finally, confirm the transfer with a PIN or biometric verification, depending on your settings. Boom! The money is on its way. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the recipient should receive it almost instantly. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Always check your balance before transferring, and if you're dealing with international transfers, note any currency conversion rates. MyT's 2025 updates include enhanced fraud protection, so feel secure knowing your money is safe. There you have it. That's how to transfer money on MyT in 2025. It's straightforward and empowers you to manage your finances with ease. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.